Hey everyone, how's it going? I've got an exciting product to share with you today, so let's jump right in. First things first, the design. It's sleek, stylish, and built to stand out. Now, about the price. It's a total win. You're getting premium quality at an affordable price, which is super rare these days. And it's so versatile, perfect for any space, whether it's home, work, or even as a gift. It's practical, stylish, and reliable. Want to learn more? All the details are in the description. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more cool finds. Thanks for watching. See you next time.